second unit is called what? It is called social structure. Now when I speak about social structure, what do you understand? And as I have told you that this paper 2 is from Indian context. So social structure Indian context mein, it could be rural and agrarian. So first chapter within this second unit of paper 2 called social structure is rural and agrarian social structure. Isme we study about idea of Indian village, various perspective of idea of Indian village. ठीक है? Agrarian social structure, we study about that. We study about land tenure system. I'm sure you people would have studied about land tenure system, Mahalwari system, Rayatwari system, Zamindari system in your modern history classes as well. So we study about all of that. Then we study about different forces acting in the rural structure. We study about land reforms. So all of that is covered under rural and agrarian structure. Next structure, Indian context में और कौन सा social structure है जो बहुत important है? What comes to your mind? Another social structure which is very important from Indian context, caste system. What is that? Caste system. So didn't I tell you that I'll introduce caste system to you there only in paper 1 when we study stratification, which was 5th unit of paper 1, when we study class, race, gender, ethnicity, there only I'll introduce caste system. We'll take various perspectives on caste system, studies of G.S. Ghurye, Louis Demont, Andre Bete, all of that will be covered over here. So caste system, we study that. Now after caste system, third topic which is very important is tribes. We study about tribes within this unit. Third chapter is tribes. Now when I say tribes, under this you have another various subtopics within tribes which you study. For example, problem in definition of tribe. कभी सोचा है आपने? Can you define tribe? किस basis पे है? Economic basis पे या backwardness पे do you decide whether a community can be considered tribe? No. See, there is a Meena community. It is a tribe, scheduled tribe, but it is not backward. Lot of IS and IPS come from Meena community. So, is backwardness one of the clauses for defining tribes? No. Is religion? Definitely not. Race? No. So, these various questions came to Indian sociology, and therefore this interesting topic has arisen, which is problems in definition of tribe or problems in defining tribe. Okay? Now, that being said, that being done, we move to the next topic. What is the next topic? Next topic would be social classes. Various social classes. Okay. Various social classes. Different forms of classes in Indian society. Be it agrarian class, be it middle class, or be it industrialist class. So we'll study about that. Then kinship in India. Now system of kinship we have already studied in paper 1. We will study kinship from Indian perspective. Kinship in India. This is the next chapter within this unit called social structure. तो वो जो concepts को आप learn किए हैं, the concepts which you have learned in paper 1, you will implement that in paper 2. Yes, and also you learn about something new from Indian context as well. Don't worry, all these topics, it will be intermingled. Paper 1 and paper 2 will be intermingled and it will become very interesting for you. I'll take care of you. Okay, so don't worry for that.